Hello everyone, welcome back once again to Lydia's Kitchen. In this video I share with you how to make very nice and crispy deep fried fish, and I hope you like and enjoy this recipe. Please remember to subscribe, like and share if you enjoyed this recipe. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So I have here nicely cleaned pinkish fish. So I'm going to start by patting it very dry with paper towel. Next, I'll add ginger powder, onion and garlic powder, ground aniseed, and mixed seasoning or mixed spice. I'll also add some vegetable oil and some sea salt. So I'll be listing all the ingredients and the quantities in the description box below. So next I'm going to go ahead and marinate it very well until it's well combined. And please, if you are enjoying this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like and also share. Next, I'm going to go ahead and coat it with some plain flour. And once it's done, I'll let it sit for about 1 hour before frying. So please continue watching. So in a saucepan, I'll add some vegetable oil. So to it, I've added some fresh rosemary and also some chopped onions. Now I'm going to go ahead and fry the fish until it's nice and golden. So I'll continue by frying each side for about 5 minutes until it's well done. And at this point, it's nicely done and very crispy. I'll go ahead and remove them onto a paper towel. And once it's done, I'll continue with the process until it's all done. So please keep watching if you are enjoying this recipe. So next I'll continue to fry the rest until it's all done. And at this point, our delicious fish is smelling good and it's also looking very beautiful and looks crispy as well. So I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. It tasted very nice as well. So you can have this with your gakenke or fancy kenke with some hot chili and some shito. Just look at this beautiful fried fish. So thank you all so much for watching. And to my new and returning subscribers, thank you all so much for your support. And I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Please remember to subscribe, like, and also share. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, bye and have a great weekend.